The scenario.
Can you make her laugh though?
Lover, you gotta come in and just sit down. You have to learn that.
Ding 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 ding.
What are you doing to your sister?
Ding ding. That hurt.
Did you hurt your toe when you just did that?
Ding ding. Ding 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 ding. Ding ding.
You have Symphony surrounded by all her musical instruments, Dusk?
Here. Ding ding. Ding 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 ding. Get me out.
Well, you put yourself in your car seat, didn't you? Do you know how to unbuckle yourself?
No.
You sure you don't know? Whoops.